Okay guys, so I wanna see, we never turn on the ignition. We already replaced the connector on the other side, still nothing yet, but I find it couple harnesses. So guys, I put in temporary straight because they fall off, because you know, like connectors, they bad. We got new connectors, we're gonna install them tomorrow, but I really wanna start the car tonight because I already did already start for 8 tonight. I'm gonna put in, 1 second, I just plug the battery. No, it doesn't work, still doesn't work. Oh, I got it. Look, you just grab it, see, and you have to make sure, find it, which one, second, I got it. This one. Okay, maybe it's gonna be, this is the problem, maybe, we'll see. They fall off. What is the contact? They just fall apart, connectors. So I'm gonna put in straight. I really wanna see how many miles on it. All right, where's the key? No, nothing yet. Let me press the button. No, nothing yet. All right, okay, they are good. Okay, everything looks good. Let me try to put in straight. Let me see, maybe battery is bad. It's bad. Maybe this is the problem. We'll see right now. You got it? Oh yeah, I got it. Okay. Wake up. No, it doesn't work. All right, let me try to find a way to put in straight. Okay. Okay, check if anything on the cluster, anything. $3,000 miles. Wow, that's nothing, man. That's nothing. Let me try to turn the engine. 1 second. Doesn't want to turn the engine. Oh, check this out, bro. Check this out. Dude, I love it, man. GTS, bro. Everything works, man. Everything works. But Immobilizer doesn't work. I have to find the way to turn on Immobilizer key. Actually, I didn't start the car yet. I'm gonna find out the problem. It's still something not right. Maybe just one cable make this problem. One cable. I'm gonna play a little bit and I'll show you when I start the car. I check all fuses, make sure all of them good. I'm looking what is the missing power for Immobilizer. Okay, I find it one. Okay, good. I turn on the ignition without the key, so I try to see which fuse, what is going on, you know. But at least everything works on the car. Just one. I need just one. Wow, you bring me a bunch of. I know why you don't want to walk again. 15, burn one. Okay, let's try. Hold on. Guys, I find the problem. Hey, I find the problem. Let's try to start the car. I'm nervous. Boom. Hold on. I'm looking for the starter, engine starter. 17. Okay guys, the starter is same like Ferrari F12 and F12. And the seating, I can see it's sitting pretty much on the floor right here. Right here, the starter. So I'm thinking the starter is the problem because it's pretty much sitting on the floor. So we have to replace the starter. I think I'm gonna take it off temporarily from this car, but I might have one. Let me see. Let me see. Okay guys, we just replaced the starter. We didn't start the car yet, but we're gonna start it right now. We'll see what happened. This is the old starter. It's sitting completely under the floor. Let me show you. Okay, it's right there. So the water bins very low, but starter sitting completely under the floor. So let me try to start the car. I think it's gonna start. Okay. Okay guys, today I'm gonna work on a Ferrari F12 GTS convertible. So I'm gonna pull out over here and work inside. I'm gonna show you all details, and today I wanna drive test the car, so we'll see. Okay guys, we replace all connectors. This is old one. They kind of bad, you know. It's fixable, but I'm not recommended because the connectors, like on the future, this car may have some problems. So that's why we replace all connectors. Only whatever, like 3 over there, and I guess 1 is on the next side. That's it. We're gonna put in 3M tape. I buy this stuff from Home Depot, and it's pretty strong and looks like looks like original. And after that, I want to drive test the car, see how I was driving. Okay, too much connectors, man. Okay guys, we find 2 dents on the car, and car has clear bra everywhere, so we're gonna take it off clear bra. We're on the process to take off the clear bra, and we're gonna fix over there also. This guy gonna fix it. His name's Sergi. He's one of the professional, right? Yeah, so he's gonna fix it right now. Okay guys, this is special stuff to clean up this glue. Very special stuff. Look, I'm gonna fix it right now. Magic. See? Just small dent, and he's gonna remove it. Okay, one more dent, and we're gonna try to touch up. We'll see. Whew. Okay guys, I'm gonna put in seats and test drive the car. I wanna see if make sure everything works fine properly. Okay. All right. It's working. It's a good thing because the computer on the seat sitting under the seat, so it's original. That's a good thing. I like it.